In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CoinGecko. Think of CoinGecko as your crypto dashboard for prices, research, and tracking your portfolio all in one place. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what the numbers mean, and how to set things up so you can monitor the market with confidence. First, getting started is simple. Head to the CoinGecko website or download the mobile app. You can browse prices right away without creating an account. If you want to track a portfolio, though, you'll need to sign up so your data can be saved. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and make sure you're on the official site or app before you proceed. On the home page, you'll see a table of coins. Focus on a few key columns. Price shows the current value. The 24H percentage tells you how much a coin has moved in the last day. Market cap represents the total value of all coins in circulation, which gives you a sense of the project size. Volume shows recent trading activity, which can indicate interest and liquidity. Green usually means rising, red means falling. You can sort columns to quickly spot leaders, laggards, or heavily traded assets. To research a specific coin, click its name. You'll land on a detailed page with a price chart. You can switch between ranges like 24 hours, 7 days, or 1 year to spot trends. You'll also see market cap and circulating supply, trading volume, and official links such as the project's website, social profiles, and code repositories. Use these sections to gauge whether a project appears active, transparent, and growing before making any decisions. If something catches your eye, add it to your watch list by tapping the star icon next to the coin. Your watch list becomes a quick access space for the assets you want to monitor without buying anything yet, helping you track movement over time. To track what you own, open Portfolio and select Add Transaction. Enter the coin, the amount, the price you paid, and the date. CoinGecko will calculate your total value, profit or loss, and performance over time. Keep in mind this is manual, so remember to log each buy or sell to keep it accurate. For timely updates, set price alerts. On a coin's page, choose Add Alert and set your target price. You'll get notified when the market hits your level, so you don't need to constantly check the screen. Finally, explore the trends sections, including trending coins, top gainers and losers, and categories like DeFi, AI, gaming, and NFTs. These areas can highlight momentum and emerging themes. Combine them with your research for a balanced view and always manage risk carefully.